I don't want to hear that crap, Jasmine. No, I'm not. I'm not letting you go right now. I'm not going to sit here and argue, Jasmine. Okay? Anything to say now? That's what I thought. Think it's funny? Huh? I can't let you go right now, Jazzy. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry. I know you hate me. I know you hate me. Nobody loves me. That's what I thought. Be quiet, huh? I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you. I can't sit here and argue with you, Jazzy. I know you want out. I can't let you out. I can't let you out. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just can't let you out. Strict orders, man. I can't let you go. You'll take off. You're a runner. You know, pet around this brown, running around the Rosie. You getting mad? Yeah, you getting mad? You mad? Tell me, Jazzy, are you mad? I know, right? You're mad because you can't go off your leash. You cannot go off your leash. I'm telling you this for the last time, Jazzy. You cannot go off your leash. You just can't. I don't care. I don't care. I can't let you go. You're out of luck. You're just out of luck. So I thought now you're quiet. You better now, Jazzy? Now she's ignoring me. Are you better? Are you better, Jazzy? You better? I'm sorry. Okay, you're not better. I know. I know.